I can't believe how small and compact this motorhome is. 2026 Thor Geneva 22VZ Full Review. There's something almost shocking about standing next to this motorhome for the first time. At a glance, it looks compact, approachable, almost too small to be a full-featured Class C. But once you dig into the specs, step inside, and understand what Thor has managed to pack into this footprint, you realize something very important. This isn't just a small motorhome. This is a smart motorhome. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Thor Geneva 22VZ, a Chevrolet-powered Class C that proves you don't need 30 feet of length to enjoy real comfort, real performance, and real road trip freedom. At just 24 feet 7 inches long, the Geneva 22VZ is designed for national parks, tight campgrounds, urban road trips, and drivers who want the confidence of something easy to maneuver without giving up the essentials that make RV travel enjoyable. In this video, we'll walk through the exterior design, interior layout, kitchen and bathroom, driving experience, technology, and finally, an honest list of pros and cons so you can decide if this compact Class C is the right motorhome for your adventures. Let's get into it. Exterior design. From the outside, the 2026 Geneva 22VZ immediately stands out for one reason: it doesn't try to look oversized or aggressive. Instead, Thor leans into clean lines, balanced proportions, and a design that feels intentionally compact. Built on the Chevrolet chassis, the coach has a confident road presence without the bulky overhangs you often see on larger Class C motorhomes. That shorter overall length makes a real difference when navigating campground roads, city streets, or tight fuel stations. The exterior finish is modern and understated, with durable materials that feel built for real travel, not just showrooms. Thor's construction here focuses on longevity and practicality, and it shows. One of the highlights is the 15-foot power awning with integrated LED lighting, instantly transforming your campsite into a shaded outdoor living space. Whether you're parked at a national park or a roadside overnight stop, this feature adds immediate comfort with the push of a button. Storage is thoughtfully integrated as well. With 30.9 cubic feet of basement storage, you have enough room for chairs, grills, hoses, and road trip gear without sacrificing the compact footprint that makes this coach so appealing. Overall, the exterior of the Geneva 22VZ strikes a rare balance, small enough to feel manageable, but substantial enough to feel like a true motorhome. Interior and living space. Step inside, and this is where the Geneva 22VZ really starts to surprise you. For a motorhome under 25 feet, the interior feels open, functional, and intelligently designed. Thor has clearly prioritized usable space over unnecessary bulk. The layout flows naturally from the cab to the living area, creating a sense of continuity that makes the coach feel larger than it actually is. The Dream Dinette plays a key role here. It offers comfortable seating for meals, work, or relaxation, and it easily converts into an additional sleeping space when needed. Large windows bring in plenty of natural light, keeping the interior bright and inviting throughout the day. Overhead storage is well placed and doesn't intrude on headroom, which is something many compact motorhomes struggle with. The finishes feel durable yet modern, designed for real use, not just weekend showings. Another standout feature is the 32-inch smart TV mounted on a swivel. Whether you're watching from the dinette, the cab over bunk, or the rear bed, this setup makes entertainment flexible and practical. Everything inside the Geneva 22VZ feels intentional. There's no wasted space, no awkward corners, just smart design choices that make living on the road feel easy. Kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. Starting with the kitchen, Thor proves once again that compact doesn't mean compromised. You get a 2-burner cooktop, perfect for quick meals or full campsite cooking, paired with a convection microwave that includes an air fryer, a huge bonus for modern RV travelers. The 12-volt refrigerator provides ample cold storage while remaining energy efficient, and the flip-up countertop extension gives you extra prep space exactly when you need it. Add in dedicated pantry storage, and this kitchen becomes more than capable for weekend trips or extended road travel. Moving to the sleeping arrangements, the Geneva 22VZ comfortably sleeps up to 4 people. In the rear corner, you'll find a 60 by 74-inch RV queen bed positioned in a slide-out that adds valuable floor space. It's a comfortable, private sleeping area that feels far more spacious than you'd expect in a motorhome this size. Above the cab is a 52 by 96-inch bunk, ideal for guests, kids, or even extra storage when traveling solo. Combined with the convertible dinette, this coach offers impressive flexibility for different travel styles. The rear corner bathroom is practical, efficient, and thoughtfully laid out. You get a 24 by 36-inch shower powered by a tankless water heater, meaning consistent hot water without waiting for recovery. With a 40-gallon fresh tank, 35-gallon gray tank, and 30-gallon black tank, this setup is well balanced for real-world travel. It's not flashy, but it's functional, easy to use, and perfectly suited to the mission of this motorhome. Performance and driving experience. Under the hood, the Geneva 22VZ delivers serious capability. The Chevy 6.6-liter V8 produces 401 horsepower and 464 pound-feet of torque, giving this compact Class C strong acceleration, confident highway merging, and solid performance in hilly terrain. With a 12,300-pound GVWR and 16,000-pound GCWR, you have the capacity to travel fully loaded without stressing the drivetrain. Add in an 8,000-pound hitch rating, and towing a small vehicle, trailer, or adventure gear becomes a realistic option. On the road, the shorter 159-inch wheelbase makes a noticeable difference. Steering feels responsive, lane changes are easier, and parking is far less intimidating than in longer motorhomes. This is the kind of RV that feels comfortable for first-time Class C owners while still offering enough power and stability for experienced travelers. Technology and smart features. Technology in the Geneva 22VZ is focused on usability rather than overcomplication. The cockpit is familiar to anyone who's driven a modern Chevy truck with intuitive controls and clear visibility. This helps reduce fatigue on long drives and builds confidence behind the wheel. Inside the coach, systems are easy to access and understand, no unnecessary complexity. The 30-amp electrical service, efficient appliances, and smart power management make off-grid weekends or campground stays equally convenient. The emphasis here is on reliability and simplicity, features that actually improve the travel experience instead of distracting from it. Pros and cons. Let's talk honestly about the strengths and limitations of the 2026 Geneva 22VZ. Pros. Chevy V8 with strong towing capability. Smart interior layout that feels larger than expected. Excellent size for national parks and type campgrounds. Powerful tankless water heater and modern kitchen appliances. Easy drivability for a Class C motorhome. Cons. Not ideal for large families needing separate sleeping zones. Limited exterior storage compared to larger C models. Compact bathroom may feel tight for some travelers. These aren't deal breakers, but they're important considerations depending on how you plan to travel. The 2026 Thor Geneva 22VZ is proof that smart design matters more than sheer size. It's compact without feeling cramped, powerful without being intimidating, and comfortable without unnecessary excess. If you're looking for a motorhome that fits into national parks, handles city driving with ease, and still delivers the essentials for real RV living, this is a coach that deserves serious attention. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Would you choose a compact Class C like the Geneva 22VZ, or do you prefer something larger and more traditional? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit like if this video helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth motorhome reviews just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.